India has the highest number of oral cancers in the world, with 75,000 to 80,000 new cases every year. If detected at an early stage, can be easily cured. On the occasion of World Cancer Day, Grace Cancer Foundation and CPOI, under the patronage of Dr. A. Ramkishan Naik, has conducted free mega cancer screening and awareness program on February 3rd in Mahabubabad, Telangana. CPOI, an NGO based in Houston, USA, is partnering with Grace Foundation.
And we're here to help screen this area, make them aware of cancer, do some education, and to get them in the right direction for treatment. If cancer is caught early enough, it is very treatable in most cases.
This is an enormous undertaking and requires so much of a collective effort. And I have to commend Grace Foundation. Grace stands for Global Research and Cancer Education, and they are doing a fabulous job.
This camp is one of the world's largest cancer screening camp on a single day. About 300 doctors and 500 paramedical staff participated in this event. Close to 500 volunteers have contributed. The response to this camp has been phenomenal, with more than 13,500 participants turning up. Awareness was created for oral hygiene and the ill effects of tobacco and prevention of oral cancer. 4,578 participants had been taught on causes of oral cancer and how to maintain good oral hygiene. The proper brushing technique also was demonstrated. This event was witnessed by adjudicators of Guinness World Records. This was an official attempt for Guinness World Records.
It's a global cause and a global mission and a great vision. This can be easily duplicated in many parts of the world. And Collective Power One is all about working with developing societies. So we hope that we will be taking Grace along with us.
Apart from raising awareness on cancer, the participants were enrolled for screening of common cancers. The screening was conducted by 6 state-of-the-art mobile cancer screening buses, which have all facilities for the investigations.
We are so proud to be able to partner with folks who are like-minded people reaching out to serve those that go unnoticed and unserved.
We are helping out the cancer camp here. We feel honored to be part of it. Chinnababu garu gurinchi innam kan but live ga ippudu chustunam.
Grace believes that every person on earth, irrespective of their social and economic status, has equal right to treatment. We intend to create an organization that helps people across the globe in their quest to conquer cancer.
Hats off to Ramkishan and Shatakodi Vandanalu Grace Foundation.
I request each one of you to be part of Grace Cancer Foundation. I cannot do alone. I need your support. We can together make a difference in the lives of people.
Grace Cancer Foundation, touching lives and reaching out to the unreached.